Hi, my name is Colin Hanrahan, and I did my Canadian report on a Canadian food, and for my project, I will show you how to make a popular Canadian dessert called brown sugar pie. First, turn on the oven for 100 degrees, and then I'll show you the following ingredients to make this good pie. 6 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, also good for your ice cream. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. Last but not least, 2 cups of brown sugar. And so here's the pot you mix all of the ingredients in. And here is the pie crust for all of the ingredients. So let's get started so we can taste the deliciousness. Okay, first you mixed all of the ingredients in the pan over medium heat. So let's get started. And you put it on to medium heat. First, flour. Next, the butter. Then, the nice, tasty vanilla. There we go. Also, the nice, good brown sugar. Okay, I may have a hard time putting this in. There we go. Then some salt. Last but not least, the nice, good evaporated milk. Just pour it in there. And then you start mixing it all together. Wow. Oh, that smells good. Okay, now it's time to pour the pie filling into the pie crust. And, okay, that's pretty hot. I need some gloves here. That's good. Now it's time to, okay, I need some help from the audience here. Yeah, you, good sir. Can you lift this?
Sure. Could I have the glove?
Okay, sure, whatever. Please.
Okay.
And now just pour it in there.
You want to help me?
Yeah, okay.
With the spoon?
Oh, yeah. Now just pour it in there. Pour it in there. Come on, a little more. Okay. Now it's time to get all of that extra stuff in there.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, thank you. Now, where do this goes? Oh yeah, right here. Here we go. Yeah. And now we bake it into a 400-degree oven. This is hot even when the gloves are on. Gently now. Gently. Oh boy. Okay, and now we need to wait 25 minutes for it to bake. Oh, I guess I fell asleep. Oh, I guess it's time to take the pie out of the oven. Safety first. That looks good. Okay, now let's wait a couple minutes for it to cool off. Okay, well, it's been a couple of minutes, and now it's time to cut the pie. But first, there's one last special ingredient. Whipped cream. And now, we have to cut it first. So thanks for coming, everyone, and I hope you enjoy the pie. This is my verbal EG.